Hello, beautiful people. This is your manifestation coach, Monica Dubey, and welcome to my channel, Divine Divas Transforming Lives. My mission is to transform 10,000 lives in coming 2 years with my manifestation and meditation courses. So, have you also been wondering as to why your manifestations do not materialize on time? So, let me tell you what is the missing key. The missing key is consistency. This is something on which I stumbled upon recently. I found out what is the missing key as to why our affirmations, and even if we keep doing a lot of meditation and different techniques, but still we are not able to manifest whatever we desire. So the reason is consistency. Please make a note of this, that you are not able to attract whatever you desire because you're not consistent. Sometimes you do your gratitude, sometimes you do your affirmations, but the next day you forget it. You do affirmations for 2 or 3 days and then you forget your affirmations. You use different techniques and you forget them the next day. So I will give you seven tips through which you will be able to manifest anything consistently. All right. So the first tip is make your affirmations in your own voice. All right. So record whatever affirmations you have written in your own voice and try to listen to it as soon as you wake up in the morning, early morning. All right. The second tip is, it's little very out of order, but it's very helpful. When you wake up in the morning and when you brush your teeth, write Hoponopono, I'm sorry, thank you, please forgive me, and I love you on the toothbrush. And do Hoponopono prayer while you're doing your toothbrush. And then make a vision board on the laptop. You're right. Take all your pictures, or if you have made a vision board, take a picture of it and put it on the desktop of your front screen of your laptop or the computer, whichever you use. And the fourth tip is, whatever affirmations you have made, like if you have made affirmation in health, relationship, career, and money, make every room of your house affirmation for one particular type of affirmation. For example, for health, you can select your bedroom. Or for relationships, you can select your puja room. For career, you can select your office, and for money also you can select your office. So this way you will be very consistent while doing your affirmations. The fourth tip is, write cancel. Whenever any negative things come into your mind, write cancel CC on your hand. See, like this. On both the palms, you can write it. Okay, so write CC. So whenever a negative thought comes into your mind, immediately you will be able to see this, and it will remind you to cancel. Right? Now the sixth tip is lunch and dinner double happiness. So whenever you're having your lunch and dinner, just say, yeah, it's time for double happiness, and just see what kind of difference it makes into your life. And the fourth tip is night alarm affirmations. Okay, so during the night, what you can do is you can read your affirmations with some light music and record it. And if you record anything in your own voice, it will reprogram your subconscious mind, it will rewire your subconscious mind, and it will be more effective. All right. So these are wonderful tips that I have given to you. For keep watching such wonderful tips. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also share it with all your friends and family members so that they can also attract a life full of happiness and abundance. And I'll see you very soon. And you can also contact me personally on my WhatsApp number. Only on my WhatsApp number, just send me a WhatsApp if you have any issues or any questions regarding the same. Everything will be mentioned in the description box. All the information is given in the description.